Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. Today we have an unboxing for you, but I wanted to go ahead and give you the information here just in case you need it. Take a snapshot of it, whatever you'd like, and we'll go ahead and move on. I wanted to show you what is a host and explain what that is in case you didn't know. So a host is someone who wants to host their own party, and it is a Stampin' Up! Party, and if you would like to host one, let me know and we could do that for you. If you have all your friends are on Facebook, we can do that. It's all online. This one was done completely online, and I'm going to show you all of the host rewards. Now this person, their hostess rewards, they were able to get all of this stuff, or they could have chosen to become a demonstrator with their host rewards. Because they had over $99 in host rewards, they are able to turn that in to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So let me go ahead and pull this all out, and we'll just show you what we've got here. So first things first is a Stampin' Seal refill. We've got my favorite, the Take Your Pick tool. Now remember, everything I'm showing you is free, completely free. The Stampin' Seal. So we've got the Stampin' Seal there. Now this one is in the bundle, so even though it is done with rewards, when you purchase in the bundle, you still save that 10%. So we've got the Posted for You and the postage stamp punch, and she was able to save 10% by going with the bundle. And this is the Cling Adhesive, and this is able to turn your stamps into cling stamps. So for any of those stamps that you have that may not have been too sticky, this is the stuff to get for it. That'll turn those very sticky. And then look at the Holiday Rhinestone Basic Jewels. So pretty. I just love this color. I think it's a pool party. I'm not real sure, but it's so pretty. We've got the Brick and Mortar 3D Stampin' Up! Folder. We've got the Happiest of Birthdays stamp set. I love these. They're just so cute. This is the Frosted and Clear Epoxy Droplets. What else here? These are the mini paper pumpkin boxes. So cute. And then some gold and silver foil sheets. And then last but not least, and I'm pretty sure she got the bundle on this, which was a die set, but I didn't see those dies in there. We'll have to find those. And it's the Pattern Play, and I think it comes with the alphabets. So I'm gonna have to make sure those weren't on back order, because they're not on here. But what I love about Stampin' Up! Is they're gonna make it right. I already know it. So we've got the Pattern Play stamp set, and then I believe the letters come with that, and those were got in a set as well. Now let me tell you about this one. All of this stuff was free, plus the papers and the paper pumpkin box. That was all free. Now this one, the Pattern Play, along with the dies that go with it. That was, I believe it was like $45 with the savings. And she was able to get this at 50% off. And that is because her order was over $450. So that was, you get all your friends to purchase. And if it comes over $450, you're going to get all of this stuff for free or whatever you choose. Plus, you can choose an item at 50% off. So she got this and the other, which normally comes out to $45-ish. She got it for only $22.50. So I think that is totally cool. If you would like to have a virtual party, let me know. I can teach your friends. We can do it online via Facebook. We can do it on Zoom. However you'd like. I would love to teach you and your friends how to stamp, have you guys all get together, and then if they'd like to purchase from you, you'll get free stuff, and who knows, you can maybe become a demonstrator for free. So let me know. I'm going to put this back up for you in case you did see anything you like and want to get in touch with me. There you go. And I'll tell you what, if you host a party, you'll go ahead and get in on the online bingo class as well for August. So you need to book your party by the end of July. So it needs to be done and complete by the end of July. And then we will go ahead and get you in on our bingo, which is always so much fun. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. I hope you liked this unboxing. I certainly did, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Just an update. I was looking, and they send you all of this information of what you got. And I was looking here, and where is it? Right here, that Playful Alphabet dies. It does have the BK. I ordered one and got 0. Then I come down here, and the B means it is on back order. So I will get that shortly in the mail. So all is good. All right. Thank you.